Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2020 Kia Sorento LX. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we do get your backup camera, a little roof spoiler on this vehicle, some nice silver and black trim along this vehicle as well, with turn light indicated mirrors. We do get blind spot detection as well. And moving to the front here, we do get license plate bracket and that nice Kia grill. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always pretty handy. You do get storage there, as well as right here as well with your jack, 12 volt, you got a cargo cubby hole, all that fun. Can collapse your Astro if you need additional storage, which is always pretty useful. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does heat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, adjustable rear seats with floor mats. We got some storage in the back here, some wood paneling, rear vents, 12 volt, and of course you can slide this out for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. Got your lights, blind spot, traction, gas cap, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 144,023 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen where you can go for your all-wheel drive, user settings such as door, convenience, others, fuel economy, drive info, digital speedometer, your cruise control, modes, voice, mute and volume, phone, and to my right we got our drive modes, which do include sport, smart, comfort, and eco. We do get cup holders, tons of storage. You even get a little wireless charging here with outlets, with aux and USB. More storage underneath with heated front seats and heated steering wheel. You got your climate controls here with dual climate, hazards, engine start stop, storage below. Our nice little infotainment system with audio and your media, so you can connect your phone right there. We do have our all menu here, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, aux, phone, radio, voice memos, quiet mode, all that jazz. All your basics will be found on the side here. AM, FM, Bluetooth, which is pretty handy. And shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8272, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.